Seriously, what did you do now?
Okay, so basically me and my friend were like talking and it was like something really good, like about the breakup. And basically the teacher comes over and she's like, stop talking, girls. And I'm like, and no. And she's like, I'll wait. And I'm like, okay, wait then. And she's like, oh, we'll go to the office.
You know it's your billionth time being here, right?
Well, I'm sorry. Out of all the 27 students in that class, I am the one getting sent to the office. Very mature.
I'm gonna write you up for this.
Well, what do you want me to do? Do not write me up. Don't.
All right, then I'm gonna call your mom then.
Well, she's sleeping, so good luck with that.
Very mature. Hello? Yes, is this Olivia's mother?
Do not listen to her.
Okay, thank you, bye. You're going home. Pack up your stuff.
Well, it's gonna take me longer to get my backpack because I'm going to the bathroom. How about